Inuit encounter polar bear while hunting true Arctic survival documentary. Vast Arctic ice field, polar bear tracks, Inuit hunters with sled dogs moving cautiously. In the heart of the Arctic, where snow and ice stretch unbroken to the horizon, Inuit hunters track seals, walrus, and caribou to feed their families. Yet here, they are never alone. Another predator roams this frozen kingdom, the polar bear, largest land carnivore on Earth. Today, we witness an encounter as old as time. Inuit hunters, hunting, and being hunted. Polar bears crossing ice, swimming between floes, mothers with cubs. The polar bear, or Nanook, can weigh over 700 kilos and stand more than 3 meters tall on hind legs. They move silently across ice, covering up to 40 kilometers a day in search of seals. Their fur isn't actually white, but translucent, camouflaging them perfectly against snow and sea. To the Inuit, polar bears are both a source of meat and fur, and a symbol of raw power. Hunters setting out at dawn, checking equipment, sled dogs sniffing the air. Inuit hunters travel light. Harpoons with detachable heads tied to floats. 308 rifles, or old 303 Lee Enfields, tools adapted for cold. Sled dogs bred for endurance, strength, and intuition. They move cautiously, eyes always on the wind and horizon. Massive paw prints, fresh scat, sled dogs slowing and staring. Inuit hunters read signs invisible to most. Paw prints as large as dinner plates, yellowed snow marking territory. Fresh seal kill sites where bears may return. When the dogs slow, tails stiff, hunters know danger is near. Hunters breathing through fur masks, frost on lashes, rifles icing over. At 40 degrees and below, sweat freezes instantly. Metal becomes dangerously brittle. Hunters must keep moving to stay warm, but avoid sweating. Fur clothing and layered caribou skins balance insulation and breathability, knowledge refined over centuries. Polar bear emerges from ridge, hunters halt, tension in dogs. Suddenly, from behind a snow ridge, the bear appears, massive, silent, and curious. Hunters freeze. Movement could trigger a charge. Dogs bristle and snarl, but remain tethered. The bear pauses. Wind carries human scent, and the standoff begins. Bear turning away, hunters lowering weapons, dogs relaxing. In Inuit culture, killing a bear is never done lightly. Hunters decide, no shot, no provocation. Slowly, the bear moves off, back to sea ice. Balance, predator and prey, each surviving another day. Polar bears driven by hunger may stalk humans, fresh kills that may draw bears back. Inuit hunters watch for circling tracks behind sleds. Silent approach from downwind. Sled dogs have saved countless hunters' bark to alert. Surround and distract the bear. They are companions, protectors, and workers. Inuit see Nanook as powerful spirit animals. The bear chooses to offer itself to worthy hunters. Every part of a killed bear must be used, none wasted. Drop sled to distract. Fire warning shots. Avoiding surprise is safer than confrontation. Use harpoons only as last defense. Climate change melts sea ice sooner. Bears wander closer to villages. Hunters must travel further and adapt equipment. More dangerous encounters, yet ancestral skills remain vital. Hunters return, tired but alive. Share tracks, signs, and lessons with family. Repair gear, feed dogs, and give thanks for safety. Every trip deepens community knowledge. Setting sun, bear in distance, sleds heading home. In the Arctic, the hunter and hunted share the same ice, the same breath. Survival comes not from power, but from respect, for nature, the animals, and unseen forces binding them all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.